Welcome again. Today I'm happy to have you here again on this channel, which I am just trying to get you to learn digital marketing, everything that we help you have passive income online 2025 and beyond, because things are getting tough and tougher and tougher and crazier and crazier. You don't know when you're going to lose your job. You can have a job today, you feel secured, but you know what, tomorrow that job will no longer be there, and you need to have an alternative so that you can be able to fall back to some type of income anytime, which is why I always encourage you to start today. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait until you lose that job or lose your major source of income. Try to have a passive income, building platforms, or have platforms online that will make you passive income, whether it's $2-5 today that you may start, or 1,000 or 20,000. You can start today and grow to that level. So I am basically today going to talk about how you can be able to drive quality traffic to your newly built PLR store. All right, you can build this store on Shopify, on WordPress, on Beacon, on other platforms that are out there, but majority of what will determine your success is the traffic right here. So the people that are going to come to your website, the people are going to come to that store and buy those digital products, those PLR products that you just built and listed, is the key here. And this is what we're going to talk about, how you're going to start grabbing or getting organic traffic to that store, that newly built store. All right, so I will first of all talk about social media, organic social media reach. Right, you may underestimate organic traffic from social media platforms. All right, that is your risk, not mine, but I'm telling you that this will be the first thing you will need to focus on. How are you going to get organic social media traffic? And using Facebook groups, using LinkedIn, using Pinterest, using all the forums, whether it's Quora or Reddit and other platforms out there to drive traffic to that store is what you need to know. So why organic social traffic is the key here and where you need to start. Now, when you start online, you need to build authority. You need to get people to understand that you are present right here. So I'm talking of your store. Your store is present, and they need to visit your store to be able to check it out and grab what they need to grab on that store. All right, now reaching these people are going to get them to start clicking on your store. They are going to start playing with your products and possibly start buying your products, and they are giving that store authority. They are helping you build authority, and you are posting consistently on these platforms, and you are gaining visibility on these platforms. So gradually you start with those traffic and the traffic on social media, using forums, using groups, using newsletters on LinkedIn, using LinkedIn page or LinkedIn post and Facebook post, Instagram and other forums to start getting traffic. Now you start getting traffic from social media and forums, and now you want to reach a wider audience. Now think of SEO here. Now SEO is very important, very important. I can't stress that enough. Why SEO? You need organic traffic from search engines. All right, so you do that by writing content to get search engines to be able to rank that store or rank that content in search engine. So when people go to Google, for example, and type about your product or the products you have on your store, you will show up on the first page. That is going to give you massive visibility and a lot of quality traffic, because these people are searching for your products. Okay, they are called intent customers because they have intention to either buy or learn more about those products, which is why SEO is very important, and you need to write quality content. There is a guide to do that, and is either you blogging right, having the right keyword, doing keyword research, writing valuable content, and organically growing on this search engines, so you can get quality traffic from search engines once you have that store start up. So don't forget socials, don't forget organic traffic from search engines. Now the third part of this is you going out and creating videos and using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts and YouTube videos to reach a wider audience as well. There is massive visibility that you can get creating some of these videos, having them on your Reels and your YouTube shorts and TikTok every day. You can just make a 1 minute video out there, just post it on all these platforms, get back to what you're doing, and you are getting more eyeballs on your products, and your store is growing, is gaining visibility, and people are beginning to know about you. Now, the fourth part here is how you are going to reach a wider audience, which you are going to spend money on ads. Okay, when you pay Google, they put your store right there. When people search anything that relates to your store, they will display that on top of that search query that comes back. All right, that is giving you massive visibility, and this is the best traffic. Okay, it's a secret. This is the best traffic you can get online, organic or paid traffic from search engines, because people are searching for it, and you have the tendency or the ability to grab them and make sure they buy from you. So do that and use all this opportunity to be able to get quality traffic. And if you have not set up that store or need more products on that store, check Resale Rights Empire, where you can be able to get access to close to 1,000 digital products that you can rebrand and resell them and make money online in 2025. It's not that easy, but it's easy at the same time if you know who knows the road, meaning who can guide you through the process of starting online business or starting a side hustle in 2025 online and making passive income in 2025. So again, thank you for watching this video, and you have not subscribed, do yourself a favor on myself, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss valuable videos when I drop them. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.